Well. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zion, man, the Prince. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we doing the legendary Dashie XP. Today's gonna be a try not to laugh video. It's gonna be so hard, man. Pause. Dashie is so funny, man. Hold up. Guys, your boy Dashie. Man, I've been rocking with Dashie ever since he was doing his skits from way back. He's doing his Barney, his GIF, his little segments with his team working. And he was doing videos with T. Dale, Joey, Sport. A lot of people, man. Golly. Oh, was there, man. Yeah, and yes, Dashie, I am subscribed to your channel, man. This man got 3 to 4 million subscribers. I see you, my boy. Keep doing the good job. Keep doing the great work. You make me laugh all the time, man. That's real talk. I appreciate every laugh. You boy rocks with Dashie, okay? It's about to go down. Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, hey, oh wait. Where's my sandwich? The Barney segments be killing me, man. But this is what it is. We're gonna do this try not to laugh. I know it's gonna be a challenge, but I always gotta be laughing, man. It's too funny. Well, without further ado, oh, I'm running. Let's do this shit.
Okay, so let's say we're playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, which should have came out with the system. This. Okay, it's not bullshit, but I'd rather have what I have. And I was like, yo, I didn't know. Listen. Right. Ooh. Yo, man, that's some white people shit. Kids in this one room. You wanna play? Let's play! We chase ghosts, bitch. Nyah, nyah, nyah. Alright,
it looks like a family portrait.
I'm feet a little bit. You're supposed to say yeah. My bad. I got that shit all over. Yo, who the hell wears a shirt that small, nigga? What's that, extra medium? A lot of fuck is going on with you, man? Bye bye, bitch. bitch. Look at look. Bitch. I'm gonna give him that. Look at this motherfucker. Shit, look, look. He's like, oh shit. That mother. And look at look. Yo, look how much you looking at him. Look. Yo, his eye was looking. Look. The fuck? He look. Or I guess in this case, look at him. Look. Looking dead into the shit. Look. Yo! I almost forgot. Yeah! Look at this bitch. And then look at this motherfucker. It looked dead at the lens! Yes! Damn. Oh, what? Ah! Yo. Look. Oh! Just what do I do? To the left, to the left. Hold on. Yo, look. He's gonna push him off right now. Go.
How do we float through this motherfucker? What happened?
Yo! Oh my God! Go! All the way out the soul, man. What? My boy going pee-pee. Hold on. What's your... Shit! Oh, baby girl, did you see that? Oh, damn. Oh, that's that a girl! And I'm gonna run away, bitch.
Why you take my gum? One more time. Do it again. Go close the door. Why you take my gum? I want a new car. Do it again. I want a new car. Why would you give me a new car? Why would you give me the car? He's like, oh, why? Why? Why would you give me? Why would you give me new car? Why? Oh Lord! Got tears coming out my eyes.
You got some thick ass thighs, Dash. You got some thick ass thighs, Dash. FATBITCH. I saw you touching the joint last night. Dashie, I'ma call you Fat Chi.
Look, the police coming.
Yo, he right on your ass. So listen.
Okay.
Great man! Yo! Is
Okay, so you want
It's letting me play!
Got it. Like she applied Maybelline to the side of a chick with a foot. Let's finish off jacking 2 dicks at one time. He's like, shout out to the dick. Shout out to the dick I just jacked off.
Yo, anybody out here need a dick?
And y'all need to get your dick jacked.
Hey, you sure about that dick? Hey, y'all want to get some of this juicy? What?
Lose WEIGHT. Please lose weight.
You're about to meet Chester right now. Look. If you move.
Oh man, wow. That's Dashie XP for you, man. I'll see you, my boy. Keep doing your good work, man. Oh. Oh my God. That was hard. That was extremely hard. Pause. Keep doing your thing, Dashie, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. Subscribe, hit the like button. Your boy Prince is out, man. Holla.